How to buy from Sweatcoin shop. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to buy from the Sweatcoin shop. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, I'll just open up the Sweatcoin app, and then once you've opened the Sweatcoin app, let's just go to the shop section right here, and then from here you can choose what kind of item you want to buy. So for example, I want to buy something right here from the gadgets, so I'll just click on see all offers from gadgets. And then let's say I want to buy this wireless earphones right here, so it is 80% off. So yeah, so to buy this, what you want to do first is to just swipe to claim for 5 Sweatcoin. So I'll just swipe this, and that says right here confirm the purchase, so just click on confirm, and then there you go. So it says right here the coupon code has successfully claimed. So what you want to do is just click on the website, go to the website, and then after that what you want to do now is just click on claim the offer, and then after that what you want to do is just input your contact and your shipping information, and then from here you can now choose what kind of payment option you want to use. And then after that there will be an option right there that will allow you to enter the coupon code, which is also saved in your clipboard. And then after that what you want to do is just paste the coupon code that you got, and after that you can now purchase the product. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to buy from the Sweatcoin shop. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.